डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें। अफ्रीका में कुछ सांप बहुत भयंकर होते हैं। Some snakes in Africa are very dangerous. Some snakes in Africa are very dangerous. Dangerous यानी भयंकर। दोनों ओर रास्ते को देखे बिना सड़क पार करना असुरक्षित है। It is dangerous to cross the road without looking both ways. It is dangerous to cross the road without looking both ways. राम काफी देर ठहरने के उद्देश्य से मेरे घर आया। राम came to my home to stay for a long. Ram came to my home to stay for a long. वह काफी समय से यहाँ है। He has been here for a long. He has been here for a long. Long यानी काफी समय। सभी वाहनों का यहाँ आना मना है। All the vehicles are forbidden to take entry here. All the vehicles are forbidden to take entry here. मना है यानी forbidden. तुम ध्यान क्यों नहीं देती? Why don't you pay attention? Why don't you pay attention? Attention यानी कि ध्यान। इसे ऐसे नहीं किया जाता। This is not the way to do it. This is not the way to do it. वे यानी तरीका। फोन देना मुझे। Give the phone to me. Give the phone to me. Me यानी मुझे। मैं तुम्हें इंतजार नहीं कराना चाहती थी। I did not want to make you wait. I did not want to make you wait. तुम काफी मन लगाकर सीख रहे हो। You are learning with great interest. You are learning with great interest. Great interest यानी काफी मन। मैं चाहता हूँ कि कोई मुझे पसंद नहीं करे तो अच्छा होगा। I wish it would be better if no one liked me. I wish it would be better if no one liked me. लगता है यह तुम्हें सीरियस चीज लग रही है। Looks like you are taking this as a serious thing. Look like you are taking this as a serious thing. Serious thing यानी कि गंभीर। कहीं तुम्हें भूलने की आदत तो नहीं है? Do you have a habit of forgetting? Do you have a habit of forgetting? Forgetting यानी भूलना, habit यानी आदत। तुम मुझे धमका कर पैसे हड़पना चाहते हो। You want to grab the money by threatening me. You want to grab the money by threatening me. धमकाना यानी threaten करना। अरे वाह, तुमने कितनी अच्छी तैयारी की है। Wow, you have prepared so well. Wow, you have prepared so well. Preparation यानी कि तैयारी। मुझे डर लगता है कहीं तुम्हारे बाल खाने में न गिर जाएं। I'm afraid your hair might fall into the food. I'm afraid your hair might fall into the food. मुझे अगर खाने में बाल मिल जाता है तो मैं खाना सही से नहीं खा पाता। If I find hair in my food, I am not able to eat it properly. If I find hair in my food, I am not able to eat it properly. हमने पार्टी में आपको निमंत्रण दिया. We invited you to the party. We invited you to the party. निमंत्रण यानी invitation. लगता है बिना झूठ बोले इसका खाना नहीं पचता. It seems he cannot digest his food without lying. It seems he cannot digest his food without lying. Lying यानी झूठ बोलना. अगर मुझसे कोई गलती हो गई तो मुझे माफ करना. If I have made any mistake, then please forgive me. If I have made any mistake, then please forgive me. Forgive यानी कि माफ करना. अगर उस लड़के ने शादी करने से मना नहीं किया तो what if that guy doesn't refuse to get married? What if that guy doesn't refuse to get married? मुझे वहीं रहना पड़ेगा ना. I have to stay there itself, right? I have to stay there itself, right? Stay यानी रहना. उन्होंने आने से मना कर दिया है. They have refused to come. They have refused to come. मना करना यानी refusal. कितने साल गुजारे हैं उसने तुम्हारे साथ. She spent so many years with you. She spent so many years with you. बताना तो चाहिए था मुझे काम में बिजी था ना मैं. You should have told me at least I was busy with my work. You should have told me at least I was busy with my work. Work यानी कि काम. तुम काम में ही तो बिजी रहते हो. You are always busy at work. You are always busy at work. Busy at work यानी काम में बिजी. मैं अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत खुश हूँ. बहुत खुश. I am very happy in my life. Very happy. I am very happy in my life. Very happy. मैं रिया और रूही को कैसे समझाऊंगी? How should I explain to Riya and Ruhi? How should I explain to Riya and Ruhi? हाथ छोड़ो मेरा सब देख रहे हैं. Leave my hand. Everybody is looking at us. Leave my hand. Everybody is looking at us. बच्चों के साथ बच्चा बनना जरूरी है क्या? Is it necessary to be a child with children? Is it necessary to be a child with children? Necessary यानी जरूरी. यह सब सुनकर उसे शायद बुरा लगा होगा. She might have felt bad after hearing all this. She might have felt bad after hearing all this. Hearing यानी सुनकर. मेरा मतलब कहाँ से आते हैं ऐसे लोग? I mean, where do such people come from? I mean, where do such people come from? Such people मतलब ऐसे लोग. अच्छा तो मुझे लगता है आपको अपना मौका मिल गया है. Good. So I think you have got your chance. Good. So I think you have got your chance. Chance यानी कि मौका. काश मैं एक बार उससे मिलकर बात कर पाती. I wish I could meet and talk to him once. I wish I could meet and talk to him once. Once यानी एक बार. Talk यानी बात करना. तुम मुझे बुरे आदमी की तरह क्यों दिखा रही हो? Why are you making me look like a bad guy? Why are you making me look like a bad guy? लुक का मतलब होता है दिखाना और बुरा आदमी यानी कि बैड गाय। जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, as far as I remember, as far as I remember, वह अपनी बात से मुकर गया। He went behind his words. He went behind his words. वर्ड्स यानी बातें। मुझे अपने कमरे की चाबी के साथ समस्या हो रही है। I am having trouble with my room key. I am having trouble with my room key. उसकी एक आंख खराब है। He is blind of one eye. He is blind of one eye. आई यानी आंख। वह तो बड़ा ही लीचड़ आदमी है। He is very sluggish. He is very sluggish. Sluggish यानी कि लीचड़। क्या यह सामान ठीक है? Is this stuff all right? Is this stuff all right? मैंने तो मजाक के तौर पर कहा था। I meant it as a joke. I meant it as a joke. मैं 10 बजे वापस आऊँगा। I will be back at 10. I will be back at 10. मैंने फ़ोन कर लिया है। I have already called. I have already called. उसकी हालत बुरी है। He is in a bad state. जितना खाना चाहते हो खा लो। Eat as much as you want. Eat as much as you want. जो भी हुआ उसे भूल जाओ। Forget that whatever happened. Forget that whatever happened. तुम मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं कर सकते। You can't do that to me. You can't do that to me. शरारत करना बंद करो। Stop being mischievous. Stop being mischievous. Mischievous यानी शरारत। तुम अब तक सो रहे हो। Are you still sleeping? Are you still sleeping? Sleeping यानी सोना। इतना मिस कर रहे थे मुझे। Were you missing me that desperately? Were you missing me that desperately? Desperately मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा। तुम्हें अपने घोड़े बेचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। You don't have to sell your horses. You don't have to sell your horses. Horses यानी घोड़ा। इस दिन के लिए पढ़ाया लिखाया था आपने मुझे। Is this why you educated me? Is this why you educated me? Education यानी कि पढ़ाई। 10 जगह कोशिश की नहीं मिली नौकरी। I tried many places but I couldn't get a job. I tried many places but I couldn't get a job. एक मजबूर आदमी के पास कोई विकल्प नहीं होता। A helpless man has no options. A helpless man has no options. Options यानी कि विकल्प। तुम्हें पता है लड़की बनना कितना मुश्किल होता है? Do you know how tough is to become a girl. Do you know how tough is to become a girl? यह बेकार की बातें हैं. These talks are rubbish. These talks are rubbish.